Okay, so it's time to install the strut bar. We will start with the left side support. The supports are new black and they have some duct tape underneath to protect what's after the paint. So the fuse box can stay where it is, but this thing has to go. And there's a screw in there I can't quite get to. I'm perplexed by Honda's decision to just deny me access. The screw is extremely hard to get to. I think I will get a tiny wrench. Oh, I think I have an angle of attack from down here. Barely enough space for me to keep rotating my wrench. Almost lost the screw, but didn't. Good. Now this should come off. Yes. And I think I'm gonna just bend this bracket so it sits like this. I think it's always fine. I can move this out of the way and tackle these two nuts. Let's see what the fitment is of this supposedly 4th gen strut bar. Okay, wedge it in there. Just slide this shit over. Doesn't fit all that well, to be honest. It's kinda bent too much. Fuck it, I'll just put it on. Whatever. This is why it has to be out of the way, because this is where the strut bar comes across. Hopefully not rubbing on my tube. Now we move to the other strut top and its own set of unique problems, which are these things, and they have to go. Now for the party piece. For the world's most beautiful strut bar, I'm gonna eliminate this little bracket here so it doesn't rub. Got it in here first. Washers, 3 washers, nut. One side done. And I lost the washer. Fitting non-standard components into standardized spaces. Conveniently, the washer fell right into an accessible area, so. Strut bar is on. Now I'm gonna tighten all the strut tops. So it draws it wherever it wants. Strut bar is in, the posts are tightened, and to tighten the strut bar. Strut bar in the car. Oh yeah, this looks wild. Okay, so here's the finished product. It needs one more sticker here, but whatever. What I ended up doing with this bracket was just removing it. I unclipped all of these cables from the bracket, and there was a second sub-bracket that's now attached by that screw over there and there. So that's what keeps this harness still, and these can flop around, I guess, but like they're not in any danger. But I mean, look at this bracket. Honda really takes pride in their brackets. Look at this. Look at the complexity of this bracket. It's multi-layered. It's got spot welds, rivets, whatever. It's got a king, so it's stronger. Like, this is an impressive bracket. But yeah, these are now free to flop around. Maybe I'll attach them some other way at some point. Pick up some other attachment point along the way, I don't know. Yeah, that's it for now. Looks great.